Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fast Up IELTS. Today we will know all about the IELTS test. I'm making this video for the beginners who want to know about basics of IELTS test, who don't know about the types of IELTS test and the types of questions that are always given in the IELTS test. We will learn about the IELTS test from starting. So share this video with your friends also so that they can also learn about the IELTS test from starting and all of you can get benefit from this video. If you want to get more lessons like this, support me by like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel and also press the notification bell so that you can get notifications from this channel of latest updates. So now without wasting any time, let's get started with today's lesson. So what's the full form of IELTS? The full form of IELTS is International English Language Testing System. Why is it conducted? This test is conducted for checking the English proficiency level of the candidates who want to go abroad for studying or working. What are the types of IELTS test? IELTS test is of two types, IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training. What is the difference between IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training? IELTS Academic is for those candidates who want to study in abroad, while General Training is for those who want to work in a foreign country. So this is the main difference between both of them. How many modules are there in the IELTS test? There are 4 modules that are listening, reading, writing and speaking. What is IELTS listening test? IELTS listening test is conducted for checking the listening skills of the candidates. It has 4 parts. It has total 40 questions as each part contains 10 questions. This module is same for both the IELTS Academic and General Training. It lasts for 40 minutes, 30 minutes for listening to the recording and 10 minutes for transferring the answers to the answer sheet. Which types of questions are there in the IELTS listening test? There are 10 types of questions: matching, multiple choice, sentence completion, form completion, note completion, table or summary completion, short answer questions, plan, map or diagram labeling, or flowchart completion. What is IELTS reading test? IELTS reading test is conducted for checking the reading skills of the candidates. IELTS Academic has 3 passages and IELTS General Training has 5 passages. It has total 40 questions. The question types are the same for both the Academic and General Training. While the passages are of different categories, IELTS Academic reading passages are related to academic subjects, whereas IELTS General Training reading passages are related to workplace, newspapers or public notices. It lasts for 60 minutes or an hour. There is no extra time for transferring the answers to the answer sheet. Which types of questions are there in the IELTS reading test? There are 14 types of questions Matching headings, true false not given or yes no not given. Matching paragraph information, summary or sentence completion, multiple choice, list selection, choosing a title, classification, matching sentence endings, table, flowchart or diagram completion, or short answer type questions. What is the IELTS writing test? IELTS writing test is conducted for checking the writing skills of the candidates. It has two types, IELTS writing task 1 and task 2. IELTS writing task 2 is same for both the academic and general training, which can be an essay, while opposite is true for the task 1. IELTS academic candidates have to write a report on a chart, while general training candidates have to write a letter on the given situation. Writing test lasts for 60 minutes, 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 minutes for task 2. Which types of questions are there in the IELTS academic writing task 1? There are 6 types of questions: charts, processed flow or any, graphs, bar by line, tables, maps, diagram, or a combination of any of these. Which types of questions are there in the IELTS general training writing task 1? There are 3 types of questions: informal personal letters, semi-formal letters, or formal letters. Which types of questions are there in the IELTS writing task 2? There are 5 types of questions: opinion, agree or disagree, advantages and disadvantages, discussion both views, problem cause and solution effect, double question or mixed. What is IELTS speaking test? IELTS speaking test is conducted for checking the speaking skills of the candidates. It has 3 parts. It is same for both the academic and general training. It lasts for 11 to 14 minutes. Which types of questions are there in the IELTS speaking test? There are 3 types of questions: introductory, cue card, and discussion. How the IELTS scores are calculated? The IELTS scores are calculated by 9-band scale. If you want to get higher band scores in the IELTS test, you should have effective, operational or fully operational command over the language without an inaccuracy, inappropriate usage or misunderstanding in the language. You can use and understand complex language in familiar and unfamiliar situations as well. You can handle complex language well and understand detailed reasoning and detailed argumentation well. You should have to use English language with appropriation, accuracy, and fluency. You should have to show the complete understanding of the English language. Don't show any errors or frequent breakdowns. In the next video lesson, we will discuss about how these band scores are calculated for all modules with complete explanation, as it is important for you to decide the target and completion of the same. Give me a little support guys by like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for getting more updates in future. Thanks for watching this video. Watch out some more videos to crack the IELTS test. Have a nice day.